I am Kruti Patel. I am from Ahmedabad and I am currently in my final year of BCom with accountancy. I converted SIBM Bangalore, SIIB Pune for Delhi, TIS, MICA, and I'll be joining MICA. When I joined Endeavor, I had a vague dream that I want to go to any Cloud Ivy or Cloud One college, and I was fortunate enough to get into it. First thing would be reading room for sure. I am going to miss it for sure. For the last 5 months before CAT, it has literally been my living space. Then second is mentorship. I can't say enough about it. So my mentors, the faculty, in fact, even the non-teaching staff, everyone was so supportive and helpful. So these two things specifically helped me to reach my goal. The test series at Endeavor is almost same as CAT. The actual CAT day felt like just another mock, and it gives you immense level of comfort and confidence when you give CAT. And the test series prepared me for the worst and also for the best. The GDPI preparation at Endeavor is also very apt. I would say not only GDPI but also GE and VAT. So they focus on every aspect, and I was able to perform well at different colleges because of these processes. And there was one question when they asked me about engineering and stuff. I don't have any engineering background, though they asked me, and I was able to answer in parts and bits. And then at last, they behaved as if, oh, we got confused, as in your father is also an engineer, so you might be knowing some things. Firstly, regarding the study group thing, we had 3 people, and we voluntarily made the study group. We were studying there on the center only. Then about the mentorship program, I would say that the mentorship program at Endeavor is not limited to the classes or to the formal things. You can also reach out to your mentors and faculties in informal way, asking about colleges, about forms, about resume, SOPs, and sometimes also about life decisions if something is bothering you. So that goes an extra mile to comfort the student. The support staff and the admin staff, they have literally they have been my friends, and the ma'am at the center, we have literally talked about many things when I used to go there and prepare for stuff, and she was in a way, I used to look forward to go there so that I would be greeted with a happy face every morning. So the online module helped me to work apart from the module and to work on my weaknesses. And the YouTube videos were actually a way of studying with fun. As in, you are sitting outside the center, you're getting bored, and you can just click on the YouTube video and you can just listen, and you can get you might be able to retain at least 1 or 2 things even if you are not paying attention to the GK videos. So the first pro tip is give almost every exam possible. I gave 8 exams, I screwed up 7 of them, but I afforded to screw 7 of them because I gave the 8th one, and that happened to be my best call. So give almost every exam as possible. Second is manage your weaknesses and maximize your score in your strong areas, your forte. And third thing is make an exam specific strategy for yourself. What works for you might not work for your friend. So make it according to, personalize it according to your comfort zone. I would want to say just one thing to anyone who is preparing is, this time is tough. Definitely, we were lucky enough that we didn't have this corona thing going around. but then it still doesn't change the way Endeavor will treat you. It will go miles to just to give you that extra something to make you stand out in the GDPI or in the exam and everything. And believe me, it is worth it. There might be times when you would want to give up. You would want to just give up, but don't. That is the exact moment when something is going to happen. Okay, so I have two. First is the Teachers' Day, of course. We decorated the class for our mentor and had really crazy fun dancing and everything. And second would be the day before CAT, as in we do have special movie screening the day before CAT, which is not formal, but it is really fun. I would miss everything about Endeavor, first thing, as in you don't miss only one thing about home, you miss just your entire home. So yes, I'll miss everything about Endeavor. The one life lesson is never give up. There is light at the end of the tunnel, and you just need to have the hope and courage to walk past the tunnel, and you will get there. There is a plan ready for you. Just don't give up.